Guys, did you ever wonder if simple indicators can actually give consistent entries on crypto market? And what if I told you that today I'm testing a special setup that I'm going to show you with every trade? Would it hold up in real session with real money? Let's find out. Well, I'm ready on the broker, guys, and let's get straight to the main part of the video, the breakdown of today's indicator setup. First and foremost, the most important indicator here is Bollinger Bands with a period of 13 and deviation of 2 and 1, and also ZigZag with completely default settings and RSI with a period of 20. Well, the overbought and oversold areas remain unchanged, and the average value is set by default as well. Today we will be trading on the crypto market, guys. As usual, the payout percentages are not very encouraging, but to be honest, trading on currency pairs really gets boring, and I wanted something new, some fresh movement. So today I decided to trade crypto, and we will be opening trades with 1 minute expiration time, and there will be 3 stages of opening trades, and on each currency pair we'll be opening up to 3 trades, and I will explain each one in detail. And we might also build some levels, draw support areas, and so on. Well, let's get started, and the first trade will be for $100. Let's pick the first asset to find the most suitable entry point. Now let's stop at this asset. It's Toncoin, and right away I will open the first trade downwards in the direction of the downtrend. And here is what serves as a signal. So we highlight the working area, and now we have a downtrend. There is a pullback in the price dynamics, and finally a local high has formed, which ZigZag showed us, and there was touch of the upper Bollinger Band, and then a crossing of the moving average of that same indicator, and the RSI crossed to the midpoint, the mark with 50 from top to bottom, which is our signal. And the next trade will open for 250 in case the first position fails. And there are about 10 seconds left until the closing. And the trade closes in profit, guys, so excellent. We return to the initial amount. This was quite an easy signal, so we continue and pick the next entry point. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too, so I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus, there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. And right here, I will probably open the first trade upwards immediately on this candle. We have had breakout of a very strong structural global low, and we can now highlight the support area. This level had many previous touches earlier, and there were strong downward volumes, and there was high volatility and impulsive candle movement, and the zigzag refreshed with a large price range. Well, here we also had a touch of the lower Bollinger Band, and we're expecting a pullback from this level, and there is a line also turning upward from the oversold area. So the first signal closed at 0. That impulse just prevented us from closing it in profit, so we immediately now open an additional trade with the same amount because the first one did not close in loss. So we prepare the amount for the next trade in case the result of the first one is negative. In general, this strategy shows good performance when trading with 1 minute and 3-minute expiration. So here we expect a pullback in the upward direction because this level was quite strong and had good volumes. And there has always been a reaction to this level after its breakout, so we are not afraid of that the first trade closed at 0 because we open the second position. And guys, as you can see, the second trade closed in profit. Wow, nice. And the reaction came and the trade was successfully completed. Even if the first one had closed and lost, so there would still have been an additional trade open accordingly to the same strategy. And by the way, I just run private trading sessions with my team based on one of my many strategies, guys, including this one, and I'm just talking about real working strategies. So guys, if you do not want to study anything, you are welcome to join. And here, guys, for example, we could have opened an additional trade, but as it said, either the first position closes in loss, it is better to end the analysis and move to another asset so as not to overtrade. So let's open a few more positions. Maybe we'll find an interesting entry. So let's continue and pick the next asset. And here we have a similar entry point. And let's probably open the first trade upwards right away. I will show you in detail which level was broken. And this is also a good touch point. So let's even highlight the working areas so as not to make it complicated. And here we have 2 points that were broken, and we see very strong downward movement here, and that is what we need. And right now we see new local low on ZigZag, and we have a touch of the lower Bollinger Bands, so we expect a reaction upward. And RSI is also around the oversold area, which is often a sign of a reversal. And again, the trade closed in profit, guys. So today it was not possible to show the full potential of this strategy, but the entry points chosen were quite perfect. So let's probably take one more trade, also return to the initial amount of $100 and continue the analysis. And guys, right here on the next asset, I think we should open a trade upwards on the next candle. We will wait for the current candle to close because it has already shown strong volumes and it could just bounce down, which could ruin our entry point. And also I'll explain in detail why this is a very good entry point to go upwards. Okay, we opened the trade and we immediately drew a trend line, and we see that we have an entry point. So let's highlight the working area. Well, this is the ideal entry point, and it was right here in the formation of the local low on ZigZag and the touch of the lower Bollinger Band. That is a signal for the reversal. And we opened the trade upwards, and the RSI line also shows crossing of the midpoint. That is another confirmation of the signal. So we opened the trade upwards, and most likely this trade will also close in profit, and I just will prepare the amount just in case. And yes, the trade closes in profit, guys, without any issues. and the entry points were well chosen, and I managed to demonstrate to you the opening of the additional trades. In general, this is actually a very small part of the analysis. In the private group, the analysis is much more detailed and serious because we trade with people and we constantly have to improve results and stay attentive. And once again, this is one of many truly working strategies that I use daily. Here is today's statistics. So we started with Toncoin, then moved to Dogecoin, and in general, I think you can see everything yourself. And now let's probably go to the withdrawal tab, fix today's profit, and we're gonna withdraw to the Bitcoin. And today's amount profit will be about $300. Just an excellent result. So we paste the address and to the confirmation code from Google Authenticator. Okay. And press continue. And the operation is being processed, guys. So that's how today's session went. $300 in profit straight into Bitcoin. And you saw in real time. So if you want deeper setups and private sessions where we push these strategies even further, you know where to find me. And guys, if you have any question and you find some unclear moment during the watching this one, so go below the video, you'll find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram where you can message me right now. So hi Rachel, just help me, and so on. So go there, check it out, and see you in the next session.